Welcome to our derivatives course. We will talk about how to create a profit and loss chart for a long stock position today. Let's begin. We will be using Google Sheets. So, let's open a new sheet. We will then create a column for the spot price. We will enter today's price in the middle. Then, we will increase the spot price by $1 going up and decrease the spot price by $1 going down. We are creating a scenario analysis. What will happen to the profit and loss when the spot price changes? Next, we will add the cost column. We are buying the stock today at today's spot price. So, today's spot price is our cost. Notice that our cost does not change as the spot price changes. That is the price at which we bought the stock. Next, we add the number of shares. We will be buying 100 shares for this example. Number of shares does not change as price changes. We will then add the profit and loss column. Profit and loss for one share is the difference between the spot price and our cost per share. To calculate the total profit and loss, we will multiply the profit and loss per share with the number of shares. Finally, we will draw a profit and loss chart. Notice the change in profit and loss as the spot price changes. This is our scenario analysis for a long stock position. This concludes our discussion about how to create a profit and loss chart for a long stock position. See you at the next lecture.